Clocking in using the Paycom app is simple and convenient for tracking your work hours. Here's how to do it in a few steps. Log into the Paycom app. Open the Paycom app on your mobile device. Enter your company ID, username and password to access your account. Navigate to the time management section. Once logged in, go to the time management or clock in or clock out option from the main menu. This is where you will be able to manage your work hours. Select Clock In. In the time management section, you should see a button labeled Clock In. Tap it to officially start your work shift. The app will record your exact clock-in time. Confirm clock in. Some companies may require you to select a job code, department or task before clocking in. If prompted, select the appropriate details, then confirm your clock in. Check your time entry. After clocking in, you can verify that your clock-in was successful by checking the time entry log in the app. Clock out at the end of your shift. When your work shift is over, simply return to the time management section and tap Clock Out to log the end of your shift.